What's up, guys? As some of you know, shipments out of Japan have been stopped, but DHL started operating and we're back with another overnight from Japan. For those of you that are new, this is Vintage Kicks Gallery. Alright, if this is your first time tuning in, Overnight from Japan is the unboxing of my auction finds from Japan. So these will be a mix of from Mercari, Yahoo Auctions Japan, some private listings, you get the point. So we're going to start off with the first package here, and one thing I have to make clear is the standard of shipping in Japan is not the same as the US. Don't expect double boxed. Alright, let's take a look here. Oh, nice. They double wrap them. So there's newspaper and a, I don't know what kind of bag this is. What they got here in one piece, that's all that really matters. It's like Christmas. All right, we have some Kentucky Dunks. Check it out. Guessing these are 98s by the look of them. And these will be a fun little restoration project. Let's open them up and get a better look. Or maybe they're not 98s actually. Let's take a look. All right, let's check what year these are. Let's see. Looks like they're 98, 99s. They are. That sock liner threw me off. These are in really good condition, guys. These are gonna be a restoration, and I think they're going to come back pretty damn good. These should be, I mean, they still have the insole writing on there. The soles are slightly hardened, but nothing we can't fix with a little rubber renew. And I'm pumped to restore these guys. These were a good pickup, and I think they were dirt cheap, so. All right, next up is a light one, and I have a feeling I know what this is. It's not too exciting, but nonetheless, let's open it up. This is really well boxed and packaged here. And if it is what I'm thinking it is, there's really no need for it. All right, this is really, really well packaged. There's a gift inside the box. All right, we have a 1994 Jordan box with the paper, by the way, and no card, but we're okay with this. And this says the production month and year was 10 of 1994. So these were sold in 95. MJO 23 Dan, you're right. I think this is one of the best boxes of any Jordan retro release ever. In fact, it is the best box. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. I love these, and this is in phenomenal condition. Most of these are beat up. I have the shoes that go with this, so this will be a nice little addition to those. All right, next up we have what cannot be shoes. It's too small, so I have a feeling this is a vintage Nike piece of clothing. We will look and see, but there can't be shoes in here. All right, looks like we have a tee. And this is an airship tee. So I'm collecting all of these. This is blue and it is the natural gray airships. I have the red as well. This has got some really great aging to it. It's blue label and this is 84, 85. Really good condition on the actual print. I'm pumped about this. So I don't do a lot of these shirts because the prices have really shot up, but this was affordable and I'm pumped. All right, as usual, save the best for last and let's get this sucker open. These I have been waiting on for a while. I actually have 3 packages that are still stuck in Tokyo, and that's because they got picked up by Japan Post a little bit before they stopped the exports. So hopefully I will get those and they're not lost, but they've been sitting there, not moved out of Tokyo for over a month now. I'm getting a little worried. Check it out, guys. Some of you already know what this is, I'm sure. Ooh, gotta be very careful with these. These are 1987 Airmax OGs. This is gonna be for a restoration project, and wow. Okay, these are nice actually. This one's gonna be a little tough, but this one's good. And can't wait to do these, guys. So finding them with the box is really difficult. These are actually going to come back to life, I think. This will be just a stain cleaning. The red's still vibrant. This one I'm a little concerned on, but I'm sure with little suede dye, some sanding, we can get this ready to roll. All right, what do you guys think, huh? They're beat right now, but they're gonna come back to life, and this box is just in phenomenal condition. Look at that, 2377 Airmax. This is the, look at that. Got the Jordan wings down there. I love vintage boxes. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Like I said, there are a few packages that are stuck in Japan right now, so we're gonna have a lot more coming back your way. But until then, we'll see you next time.